Hola alumnos, ahora estudiamos lugares extranjeros, otras materias y lugares universitarios. This lesson can be found in your textbook on pages 28 and 29. So, first we are going to talk about lenguas extranjeras. Lenguas extranjeras meaning foreign languages. If you look at the map on page 28, 28 and 29 in your textbook, you'll notice that we have a listing of several countries and the major languages that are spoken in those countries. So let's first look at the country and the language that is located furthest to the left on the map on page 28. First we have Las Américas, meaning the Americas. The languages that are identified here are el inglés, English, Spanish, el español, and Portuguese, el portugués. Notice that the map indicates that Portuguese, el portugués, is spoken in Brazil. Next, let's move over to Europe. In Europe, at the very top, we have Germany. Germany, pronounced in Spanish, is Alemania. The German language, el alemán. Underneath Germany, underneath Alemania, we have France. In Spanish, Francia. The French language, el francés. Underneath France, we have Spain, España. The Spanish language, el español. Below that, we have Portugal, Portugal. And once again, the Portuguese language, el portugués. Next to Portugal, next to Francia, we have Italy, Italia. The Italian language, el italiano. Muy bien. The next country that is highlighted is Russia, Rusia. The Russian language, el ruso. Underneath Russia, we have China, China. The Chinese language, el chino. The final country that is listed on our map is Japan, Japón. The Japanese language, el japonés. Now let's take a look underneath the map. We have 5 pictures, and the title of this section is Cursos y Especializaciones. So, cursos meaning courses, and majors in Spanish, especializaciones. The sciences, las ciencias. Geography, la geografía. Mathematics, las matemáticas. music, la música. Theater, el teatro. Below that section, we have más cursos y especializaciones, more courses and majors. The first one that we have is business administration, la administración de empresas, art, el arte, computer science, la computación, law, el derecho, economics, la economía, education, la educación, history, la historia. Remember, when pronouncing history, the H, la H, in Spanish is silencio, so we will say la historia and not la historia. La historia. Engineering, la ingeniería. Make sure you pronounce all of those vowels. La ingeniería. Foreign languages, las lenguas extranjeras. Literature, la literatura. Medicine, la medicina. Journalism, el periodismo. Psychology, la psicología. Sociology, la sociología. Muy bien. Next to that section on page 29, we have lugares y edificios, places and buildings. So we're going to talk about different locations on campus, en la universidad. Apartment, el apartamento. Library, la biblioteca. Cafeteria, la cafetería. Student Center, el centro estudiantil. Gymnasium, el gimnasio. Bookstore, la librería. Office, la oficina. Residence hall or dormitory, la residencia. Excelente. And finally, let's review the palabras útiles. Remember, our useful words. And these are found on page 28, en la página 28. So, en la página 28, las palabras útiles son architecture, la arquitectura, biology, la biología, accounting, la contabilidad, philosophy, la filosofía, physics, la física, humanities, las humanidades, subjects or courses. We can say cursos, which refers to courses, or we can also say las materias. And chemistry, la química. So these are some useful phrases and terms that we can use when we are referring to our lenguas extranjeras, our foreign languages, otras materias, other subjects, as well as lugares universitarios, places on the campus, places in the university or university places. Please make sure that you go back and review these words. Make sure you practice your pronunciation. And also make sure you practice your spelling. That is very important. Remember, a lot of these words do include accent marks, and those accent marks are extremely important. They are part of the spelling of these words, so you need to ensure that you know where these accent marks belong. So, what I would like for you to do is to practice not only using these words just by studying them and reviewing them, but think about how they apply to you on campus, how they apply to you as a university student. You can use these words to help describe what type of student you are, maybe some of the courses that you are studying, and you can talk to a friend and let them know what you are studying on campus, what you are studying at this university. It's a great way to practice, a wonderful way for you to work on your speaking, and it's a great way for you to memorize your vocabulary words. So have fun practicing, and until next time, nos vemos.